Hi, so I've titled this video, "It's Amazing What You Can Do with Just the Tiniest Bit of Imagination," because that's what I think. Now, we made this thing recently, which was pointless and hilarious and useful all at the same time, which is just brilliant and exactly how something should be. And of course it's inspired lots of comments, and I found myself that those comments have been tremendous. And there's been, in me at least, a general uplift of the sense here, just because of the positivity that's now flowing. And that's the thing about imagination and about slightly crazy and about wacky things. It gets positivity flowing. And that's right, it should do. Now, a friend of mine, Desmond Bagley, wrote to me about a guy he knew in Australia who'd basically powered his entire house from converted pedal cycles. And I thought, well, that's just crazy, but brilliant, all at the same time. You don't have to be doing earth-shattering stuff. You don't have to be changing the direction of nations. You just have to do little things. And you add up all of those little things and they make big things. And that's the point. Add up the little. Try to do the little things. A little thing every day will make the most massive difference in our lives. So when we're looking at saving the planet, we don't have to do anything tremendous to save the planet. We have to do little things. And the stupid little things. They're things like, be nice to somebody. It doesn't have to be everybody. We're people, we get in a bad mood. But if you're in a bad mood and you're feeling in a bad mood, recognise it. And the next person you meet, say something nice. It won't kill you. And it will make a big difference in the world. When you've got your trash in your hand, put it in the recycle bin. It's not going to hurt. And it'll make the most massive difference unimaginable. You leave a room, turn out the light. You're eating and you're a little overweight, just eat one forkful less. All of those things, those tiny things, make massive differences in the overall world. Why? There's this 7 or 8 billion of us. If we all do that one little thing, it adds up, it's huge. When that guy in Australia converted his house to pedal power, all he's really doing is showing an example. We don't have to pedal to run our televisions, but doing one little thing, that makes a big difference. Building something crazy like that, it's huge fun. It has a point, and it will make a tiny difference. It's not going to change the world, but it is going to make a little bit of a difference. Anyway, I really wanted to share those ideas with you because I've been reading through the comments and I found them all inspiring actually. I found them uplifting, I found them really positive, and basically what I wanted to say was, with the tiniest bit of imagination, you can make a surprising and big difference. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching.